Now students, this is question from your textbook page number 79. Observe the figures given below and divide them into unit squares. Now find the area of counting them. So here we have to do the two tasks. First we have to divide in the unit, in the square unit. Okay. So this is the A figure it is given. The sum of they have divided in the unit square. Now the rest of that we have to divide it. So let us we do this by dividing this square. How we will do this? We can stretch this line. So we stretch this line, so we get as the square. As we get here, we stretch only one line and we divide this square units. Yes. Now here we have to find out the total unit squares, that we can also find out this area. So how we find the area? That you have the two options. Either you count all this and note it down here. Otherwise we have the length and breadth, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 units of this length and breadth, 1, 2, 3. So 3 units, okay? 3 units. So L into B, we have 7, 3. 7 3s are 21 square units or unit squares we can say. So 21 unit squares here we have. Now other hand also we can count this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. The same thing, yes, but this is the proper method that you find out the area. Length into breadth is equal to 7 into 3 is equal to 21 unit square. Now let me find here the B. We have to divide this in the unit square. So already this figure is given. So let us we do this way. We stretch this line. We stretch this line and we get the square units. Okay, so it is 3 by 3, it's a square. So 3 units here, 3 by 3 we get as a 9 unit squares. So 3 into 3, 9 unit squares. Students, in C question you can see this figure, that only 1 unit square it is given. Now we have to divide this rest of the area, that we can stretch this line. So we can divide this in the unit square. Yes, now we get this. These are the length is 4 unit square. Here the breadth is 3 unit square. Okay. Now we are getting easy to find out the area. L into B is equal to 4 into 3, 12 unit squares. Okay. So this is the answer of C. Now let us observe this D figure, that all the unit squares are given, but this inner part is left. So just stretch this line through this rectangle, so we can get this square unit. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the L is 6 unit. 1, 2, 3 breadth is 3 units. So 6 3s are 6 multiplied by 3. L into B is equal to 6 multiplied by 3, 18 square unit, or either here you can write here the unit square is given, so we can write here the 18 unit squares. So why it is written here the unit squares, because this square we cannot say that it is a rectangle, but we divide this rectangle shape in the square, so it is written here the 18 units squares.